So when the man reached to the window, him say, "Oh, it's so me I try for when because I don't know if him have a weapon. Someone want the window even halfway." And him say, "Oh, it's who the little girl there to you?" And him not answer him, hold her hand tight and walk faster. I say, Jesus, and I take him and I take what the pitney for true. So he and have a drive up past him, stop almost in the road and say, "Oh, it's sir." And he turn the next way and say and jump out her vehicle. I have to say, "Alice, sit down." And me I run out because me I say, "Jesus, me no want him do my husband nothing today." And he run on pan him and grab him and say, who this little girl to you and something like that. The little girl say, "He's taking me away." Mr. Shireen.
Morning, my viewers and subscribers. Hey, when I see the video with the man I take with the little girl, Jesus Christ. Listen, parents, boy, our children are in so much danger. My God. Suppose them people I never actually see it and sister the pitney wear blue uniform and the girl pull up the little girl face and ensure say as she and ask the man ask the man, "Where am I do with the little girl? Who is the little girl to him now?" And so I'm still grip her and I walk. The little girl say, "Man, carry her through the bushes." Oh my God. Suppose this lady and her husband never see this child. Suppose them never saw the child. The man would have gone with the picnic. Go rape the picnic and kill the poor little picnic. Jesus. Eh? What a wicked society we are living in. Them man are just only a dirty pervert. Suppose them people are never some upstanding citizen who really concerned. Because some of us, we don't concern once it's not our children. Once it's not out or at our doorstep. We don't care. We are not concerned. Thank God for these people. Thank God these people saved this little girl's life. It is sad, the society we're living in now. Our children are not safe, boys, girls. They are not safe. Yeah, take with the people and picnic. Yeah. Suppose the woman never smart. Say, make she zoom up the little girl face to ensure say that's her. And the husband jump out of the car and grab him up. And even when the husband grab on pan him still hold on pan the pitney because his intention was to just take away this little girl and do what he wants to do with her. And the little girl is so smart. She started explaining to the lady what he did. And she's saying he's trying to take her away, walk through the bush because he don't want her to be seen. She's such a smart, intelligent young lady. Our kids are so much unsafe. Not every parent can buy a car. Not every parent can travel with their children to school because some of them have work. But we have to something have to be implemented in the system for our children so that they can be safe because they are not safe. It's sad. This hurt me to the core. And I know it hurt other parents, other people who are not even parents. Something needs to be implemented in the system for our children so they can be protected, they can be safe. I don't know what is going to happen, but something needs to be done about these men, these perverts, these men who are taking away our children, raping them and killing them. Something has to be seriously done. This little girl is supposed to be here. she's supposed to be here. God save her for a purpose and a reason. Too much of our children are losing their lives. Innocent children. Babies. These are babies. How men find pleasures in these babies. It is sad. How you find pleasure in these babies. How you find it in your heart to molest and kill and unalive these babies. Jesus. Oh my God. It is really sad. It is really sad. It is really sad. These men does not belong in our society. They are not supposed to be among our children. Once they get caught, they need to be put away, locked away, or some drastic measure supposed to be done to them, you know. Because me sorry say, them never just take control of the situation and just put on some jungle justice right this upon him, you know. Because when him just got prison and come out back, him will come out can do the same thing and go prison, go name taxpayer food, go name taxpayer money, and that's all them a do. Then go prison for whatever they do. Then come back out and then come back out doing the same thing all over again. Something seriously needs to be done. I'm pleading to the government. I'm pleading to the right authorities. Something needs to be done about these men, these people who are abducting these children, taking away their innocence, taking away their poor little lives. Too much children are going through this type of stuff. It is sad. Up until now, nobody here knows nothing about Jaden Smith. And this little girl would have been another situation like Jaden Smith, only in a different category, but abducted. No, man, this is going on far too long now. Too much children are going missing. So much children ending up being dead. We found them dead, molested. My God, thy God. Listen, man. Prime Minister, we don't need to come up with something, implement some measures, some law against these men, these people who are abducting these children, killing them. You can't find them back. The ones where you find them end up dead. Something has to be done. Something seriously needs to be done. I can't say this enough. Something needs to be done. This has to stop. This needs to stop somewhere. Find ways and measures to fix this in our country, in our society. Make an example out of these men, and then the other rest will think twice before they actually do these things. Make an example out of these men, else it will never stop. Do something before it's too late. Too much dragging afoot with this situation. Y'all better come together and fix this. Else it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. Please. Me I beg you no, do something. Anyway, have a blessed day now. And make we try protect we pitney them, yeah, man. Parents, community members, bystanders, everybody. Let's protect our nation's children. We can't do it by ourselves. Be our brothers and sisters, keepers. Protect these children at all costs.
Shireen, we're driving on the road. We're driving on Anderson Drive and see and tell me say one little girl missing from the school Ali used to go to. And I say, it kind of just changed the mood in the car. And then we reach on Anderson Drive and we see a little traffic. And I say, and it look like a police, you know. When we look, we see police and say and ask him. I say, is the little girl you're looking for? The police say yes, and we continue driving. When we reach now out of the bridge at Mapen, go under the bridge now, turn from Bustamante Highway, we see one little girl in a one blue uniform with one man, and we see like the man stop a vehicle. See and say, you know, say, at the uniform that Mr. Say and send me the picture of the little girl. In time I say it in our community group, Langville Park group. When him send me zoom in, I say, babes, turn back my pussy. If I she and him just spin round up the road, and when we drive back we couldn't see because him a walk fast. We look, we see him a go up like we heading to the stoplight. So when we drive up to him now, because the hairstyle different from the picture, so I say and I zoom in the picture, so I just want to see the face. So when you drive up close to him now, I wind down the window and I look, I say, Jesus, see another little girl, you know. Him say she, him say alright, so him say when the man reached to the window, him say, oh, he saw. So me I try to wind up window because I don't know if him have a weapon. So I want the window even halfway. And him say, oh, he saw. Who the little girl there to you? And him not answer, him hold her hand tight and walk faster. I say, Jesus, and I take him and I take what the pitney for true. So he and have a drive up past him, stop almost in the road, and say, oh, he saw. And he turn the next way and say, and jump out her vehicle. I have to say, Alice, sit down. And me I run out because I say, Jesus, me no want him do my husband nothing today. And he run on pan him and grab him and say, who this little girl to you and something like that. The little girl say, he's taking me away. I say, Shireen, I can't allow him to you. And the little girl says, so I say, come baby, run, come. And you know, let her go. I say, see, and grab her hand from him, see, and but choose him, see, and so upset at the situation and he have him. I say, see, and grab him, pick me hand. And he grab her from him and I said, come baby, come. And she run come to me and I put her in the car. I put her right in the car seat. And she and Ali in there, she cried. I say, I have to just start praying. We just start praying for the little girl, her parents, her family. Oh Jesus. She said he let me walk in the bush so that I am not seen. Just like that, she said it. She's so intelligent. She said he took my tie and he took my watch and he hid them. Oh Jesus, Shireen. I tell him I need them a buckle. I need them a buckle. I have to send up some praise to God to them man right on the spot. All the police then come on and I say, boy, God is to be praised. I tell them, No. Somebody called the parent. Some men stopped as well because they saw Sian hold the person one way. And them stop and come on. And I said, call the police because of him have the little girl. And them, everybody, all who were there were trying to call the police. Because the police were just up the road, as I tell you. Just keep her in the car. Man, I wait, to see our parents come and tell them, I would have only feel better if I could have put her in her mother's hand, honestly, but eventually the police said, to bring her come, them I got make sure get medical attention. Now we leave.